Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. We are on a get ready with me roll right now. But I have been dying to use this eyeshadow in a makeup look ever since I got it during the Black Friday sale. I placed an order on the Pat McGrath website. You guys know I love her makeup. And I picked up this Blitz Sapphire eyeshadow with this little like jelly putty base. And after seeing videos of people using them together, it just looks so good. I had to pick it up myself because I really wanted like royal blue eyes for New Year's Eve. I know New Year's Eve is very like silvery, gold, black, those kinds of colors, but I really feel like royal blue and red and like bright purple and like jewel tone shades are also really fun for the new year. So I wanted to do a little sapphire look. Inspired by Dorian from Throne of Glass, because I'm currently reading the Throne of Glass series and I love Dorian, and these eyes are for him. But yeah, if you want to see how to get this fun sapphire eye look makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna start off with some tape on my face. This was sent to me in a PR box and I can't remember with what, but I think this is face tape. It's definitely less sticky than Scotch tape. I'm still gonna put it on the back of my hand first and then line it up with my lower lash line. Ow, hold on. Maybe it doesn't have to be so long. Okay, we're getting sharp today. This one's stabbing my eyeball a little bit. I'm using a little bit of concealer as my eyeshadow primer, just so that I can get a nice base down, cover up my veins and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 palette. It's the one with all the mattes. Honestly, just use any matte browns at home. I'm gonna mix these two shades and just run that in my crease. And I'm going to be focusing the majority of the pigment of all my eyeshadows on the outer corners here and then dragging it in. I'm gonna take this shade right here and focus this color right on the outer corners. I want a little bit of like a cool tone depth there. Okay, going in with the darker brown, going a little bit deeper now. I'm gonna do the same thing. And you don't have to be too precise with this, like it can get a little bit messy because we're about to like cover all of this right now. Okay, now I'm gonna take the little Pat McGrath duo I got. I'm taking the Cyber Electric Eye Gloss and I'm gonna put that down on my entire lid and then I'm gonna top it with the Blitz Sapphire eyeshadow. But I think I'm gonna kind of sandwich it. I'm gonna apply this first and then we'll see. Let's see. I'm just gonna take some of this on my finger. Wow, that's beautiful. It doesn't even need a base, honestly. You definitely get a lot more fallout when you just go straight in with the eyeshadow without using that sticky base, but it's still super pigmented and I still want to be able to blend it in the crease, so I don't think I'm gonna use the little sticky base. Okay, I'm gonna try to add a little bit of this jelly just right here where I want the majority of the pigment to be. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Makes it look more chromy. Okay, good to know they sandwich well. Now I'm just taking a little bit of the matte shades and just kind of cleaning things up in the crease, making sure everything blends. Ta-da! pretty even. Of course, we gotta clean up all that fallout. Okay, I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna take my Space Case, the Festival Remix palette thing, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this glitter right here. You can't really tell in the camera, but it has like fat chunks of like iridescent glitter that I think would be really cool with this look. And I'm just gonna go with it, see where I apply. Ooh, I think I wanna add some to the inner corner and then some to the outer corner here. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with Copacabana from my palette. Best inner corner highlight ever! I'm gonna have to retouch it because I have to do my face. Excuse the noise. Ooh, that little jelly works really well underneath the shadow as well, because there was definitely like some jelly remnants there in the inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna pop on my lashes really quick. I'm gonna take these from Melt Cosmetics. They're called Johnny, and they're really cute. Kind of wispy at the end, perfect for this eye look, I think. So I'm gonna really quickly pop these on off of camera because I have to get really close to my mirror. Lashes are on. I'm not really gonna do much to my lower lash line. I'm just gonna tightline and add mascara, but I'll do that at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the face. Of course, priming with my Tower 28 serum. And for foundation, I'm actually mixing these two together. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and then I'm taking a little bit of another holy grail, a new holy grail, the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. This is so good. We're gonna do a little mixeroni. This Infallible foundation is perfect for New Year's Eve because it's going to last literally all day. I love it so much. One of my most long wearing foundations in my collection, and it's way more affordable than a lot of my foundations. In my opinion, it is hands down the best foundation at the drugstore. For concealer, I'm using the Dose of Colors Let's Face It concealer. Okay, adding some mascara to my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take some dark brown eyeliner. I was gonna go in with black, but this is a little bit less harsh. This is Barbarella Brown from Charlotte Tilbury. Now I'm gonna contour the skin with the Ella Loose Cream Bronzer. This has a very cool, almost like olive undertone, so I feel like it works for me in terms of contouring. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to chisel out the cheeks. I'm gonna take this Kaja Whipped Dream Blush in the shade Meringue Pink. It's such a pretty mauve-y type of pink. I love this shade. Stunning. It's like mauve, but warm at the same time. And then on top of that blush, I'm gonna add some glow, but I don't wanna like fully highlight. I just want like a really glowy cheek. So I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk and apply that on top. The lighting in this room is making things look a little bit washed out, but I swear there's depth and dimension to my face. For lips, I'm going in with the Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in Legendary. Okay, this is a little bit cooler than I wanted it to be. So on top of it, I'm gonna add the Saie Lip Gloss in Dip. It's a little bit less gray. Love this shade. So pretty. Ooh, I really like that lip. Okay, you already know the drill. Alright guys, that's it. That completes this video. I'm sorry that I had to have a lot of music in the background. It's just a lot of noise happening in my house right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, I will totally be rocking this look on New Year's Eve. I think it's such like party makeup and I love it, and I hope you guys loved it too. But yeah guys, that completes this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!